Okay. After you run a profile, your controller is left in profile control, and that's indicated by your end of cycle lamp remaining on after you silenced it. If you want to run this in Setpoint controller, the only way to do that is to go back up, hit your keys simultaneously, go back into profile control, enter your code of 10, go down to where it says end profile control, hit your right key, say yes. You will see that your end of cycle light came off. At this point, you can continue and press the right key. Now I have temperature control ability. I can manually now put a temperature in the controller, and we call that a set point controller.